Hey, good morning, guys. This is Kendall with Savera's Hardwood Floor Restoration. And guys, we're working today out of SETAUKET, Long Island. We're doing about 500 square feet of white oak floors. So we're going to be doing, today we're going to be doing this hallway right here. Okay, we have the steps we're going to do. We're going to have to pretty much sand this down. This is the living room area. Dining room area. As you see, the finish is completely worn off. We have a line here. I guess they put some type of stain or something on the floor. This is a natural floor. It's a natural finish. It's not stained. We've got some worn areas here. So what we're going to do today, guys, we're going to be screening and recoating this area. This is our sandless, dustless system that we do. It's called a screen and recoat. And what this does, we basically abrade the finish, the top layer. We're not sanding the floors. We're going to be abrading the floors, and we're going to be applying new protection onto the floor. Now, one thing I must say, this service does not, take out deep scratches or water stains and whatnot. Okay, guys. So I'm going to get started and stay tuned for some results. Okay guys, again, this is Kendall with Savera's Hardwood Floor Restoration. Guys, these floors are fully screened and ready to go, clean and tack. I'm gonna put a first coat of sealer on these floors, and then there's gonna be 2 coats of Aqua Pro. I got the steps all done. Steps are all ready to go, looking good. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, look at these floors. This is Kendall with Savera's Hardwood Floor Restoration. Guys, these floors came out absolutely splendid. Just take a look at how beautiful these floors look. My God. Remember this area right here? This is the area right here, oh my God, the dining room area we spoke about earlier on today. We had a lot of discoloration here. Look, and this area had no finish. Okay, look at how this looks. And this is all done in one day. The client's gonna come back and put the furniture down tomorrow evening. And yeah, guys, here's another one. Okay, this is what we do, guys. If you need your floors done, this is what we do, guys. This is what we do.